I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. It goes all the way to the bottom, as you guys can see. And these are Gambian or Senegambian style outfits. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Binta, and if it's your first time, go ahead and subscribe and like this video. Okay, so today's video I'm gonna be trying out some of my Eid outfits. If you guys don't know, we are in Ramadan and it's about to be over and we're getting ready for the big Eid. Okay, and these are some of the outfits that I'm gonna be wearing for the Eid that I got for the Eid. But guys, look at this right here. And they're coming all the way from Mamaland, Africa, specifically the Gambia. Okay, so by the way, today I'm going out and that's why I am looking so cute with my makeup. I have a naming ceremony to go to, so this first outfit I'm wearing is what I'm gonna be taking to the naming ceremony. It is just a simple boo-boo or booba, gram booba, okay, and it has some designs on the front, as you guys can see, very well sewn neatly as well. And I just paired it with my little cute head tie like this. This head tie is like a cap, but it is so beautiful and it's so easy to tie, and that's what it looks like. And I'm also pairing it with my red, shoe. Super cute. It's just a sandals, and with just a little cute bag right here, which is my clear bag, and I have some of my belongings in there. So nice. So this is a very nice outfit, and it's in the color green, and the detailing is in red. Okay, so yeah, what do you guys think? Obviously I'm not gonna be wearing this for Eid because this is what I'm wearing today, but it is part of my Eid outfit haul. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. It goes all the way to the bottom, as you guys can see. And these are Gambian or Senegambian style outfits. Mostly you would see Gambians wearing this or Senegalese people wearing this. And voila, I'm so excited. So I have a few more here, two of which are a bit too big for me, so I'm not gonna be testing them out because they're too big. Okay, this it's just a beaded fabric, but it is so pretty. It's just too big for me, so I have to take this to a tailor to, you know, alter it for me to my perfect size. So that's that. And then you have this one too. Oh my god, this is pretty. And then my tailor did a very good job making it. It is so pretty, so pretty. Like, I feel like the camera is not doing it justice, but yeah, if I wear this, I'm gonna be killing it. So yeah, that's that. So these are the other two outfits for my Eid. So I don't know which one to wear. If you have a favorite, leave me a comment down below between these two. It's orange and red. Okay, I love both of them, but I don't know what to wear. So yeah, as you guys can see, I'm loving these red colors. That's why I'm wearing this one to a party today. Oh, it's so bright. I need to put this lighting down a little bit. There you go. Yeah, so yeah, that's what that looks like. And if you're wondering about price, this cost me about $110, which includes the sewing and the material. The material is Jesna, so the material alone is like it's like 4,400, close to $100 basically. Very close to $100, and then to sew it is not more than $20 or $15. Okay, so yeah, that's what you get when you sew stuffs in Africa. It's a lot cheaper than when you have to do it here. So yeah, Anyways, like I said, this is my first outfit, which I'm gonna be taking to the party that I'm going to today. Okay, so well, look at that, guys. Oh my goodness, this color is dope. Oh my god. Ooh, and I have a hair tie that can go with this as well. I have a blue and I have a yellow, and it also comes with an extra fabric that I can use as a hair tie, but I'll probably not use this because I have something easier to tie. But oh, it looks just like the other one, the green one, but different styles, because the green one has a flare bottom and this one is just boom all over, like it's just straight basically. So yeah, but this is what it looks like. It also comes with design, and that's the design that the tailor put on there. So I'm gonna stand on something so you guys can see. Can you guys see? The design is all the way to the bottom, and it's on the center like this, and it has a bow tie. And it has a bow kind of hand, just like the other one. Yes, we're Pro Max. Yes, this is so beautiful. Orange, blue, and yellow. So yeah, super simple, super cute, Gambian style. And this also pretty much cost me the same price as the other one as well. Not more than $110 or $115, you know. Yeah, and it's also in the fabric called Jesna or Bazin. Jesna is the same as Bazin, okay, but Jesna is a bit more expensive, but it's the same as Bazin. So yeah, I guess they put, it's just different work put into the fabric. Basically, that's what made it a little bit more expensive, but that's that. So now I'm confused because I thought I would be wearing the red one for the Eid, but guys, this orange one is beautiful. It's beautiful and I am loving it. I don't know what to wear. I don't know what to wear. If you see me outside wearing this, waka de pass. Just waka de pass. Don't talk. Don't talk. Don't talk, because this outfit, it doesn't like talking. Oh my god. It's done. It's done. I think this is what I'm gonna wear. Yes, I think this is what I'm gonna wear. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at that, guys. Don't mind my tummy. It's a little bit big, but it's okay. It's okay. It's not gonna stop us from wearing our beautiful outfit. And yeah, this is what this looks like. It's in the color red, and it's a very beautiful red. Look at the, oh my god, look at the detailing on the hand. You guys see the detailing on the hand? Yes, and the fabric is just so beautiful and shiny. Oh my god. And yeah, done. We already have what to wear. This is my choice. Let me know what you're choosing. Don't get me wrong, they're all beautiful, but this here is just beautiful. Beautiful. Look, and it's flared at the bottom, as you guys can see. So flared. I look like a little kid that just have some new clothes, and this is so pretty. It's just a long dress, and then they have some gold detailing on it. You know, these are how do they call this? the embroidery that you can get at the local store like Joanne Fabric, and they just sewed it on it basically. But yeah, red and gold, perfect combination, and I love it. I love it. So let me know what you guys think. Which of the two outfits, the orange, like I said, I'm not wearing the green because I'm wearing it today, so the orange or the yellow, which one do you guys, I mean the orange or the red, which one do you guys think I should wear? These two, okay? Because the other two that I have not tried on, I'm not gonna be trying on because they're too big, so they look so baggy for me right now. I have to alter it. But yeah, that's that for my Eid outfit. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Help me make a decision, which I know I already made, because this year I am feeling it. Anyways, that's it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.